Hi guys, Joe here and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on this channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button below. It's free to subscribe. So in this video, we're going to look at how to convert a Google Docs into a PDF. So you have a Google Docs document and then you want to save it as a PDF and you don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Google Docs website at docs.google.com to find your document. So at the Google Docs home screen, you will find your documents there, and then you can click on the documents that you want to convert to PDF. So here I have a sample document here named docs to PDF, and then I'm just going to click on it to open it. So now I'm at the Google Docs editing page. This is where you edit your documents and do all the formatting. So what I'm going to do here now is to save this as a PDF file. So to do that, I'll go to this corner right here and I'll click on File. From this top navigation bar, you can see File, select File, and then over your mouse to download. From download, then you find the PDF option. So the PDF option allows you to save this document as a PDF. So what do? Click on PDF and then wait for a second. Google Docs will convert it and then you can save your PDF file. Then you open it and then you have a PDF file. So that's how easy it is. So let me go over it again. Go to your Google Docs, select File, scroll to download over your mouse and then come to PDF. So that is how easy it is for you to save your Google Docs as a PDF format. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.